Another day, another dawn. Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Jayden Kambule. This is day 2 of my $0 to $10,000 a month challenge through day trading. If you already haven't seen my last video, it's the first video I uploaded about day 1, why I'm starting the challenge, what I'm getting into, reasoning, and overall just some of the rules for the challenge. I'm gonna remind you about the rules and stuff throughout the different videos, but this is not one of those videos. Today we're getting locked in and we're getting straight into the business of trading. And we're just gonna try and make 10K. I mean, it's possible, it's trading. Especially with crypto, anything's possible. Quick update, as I'm recording this, it's a day after the Israel attacks. The market isn't doing too hot, man. It's not doing hot at all. This is not gonna be a market video, but just to quick touch up on it. Right now I'm looking at 2 coins over here. Right on the left is a meme coin and then Bitcoin. With the news, it's not looking hot at all. Bitcoin came crashing down to $59,000. So if I was in the market right now, I would definitely start looking at buying. Maybe averaging in right now, or potentially even shorting it to then enter. But the reason why I'm not in the market is because of my lack of ability to actually become seriously profitable. So pretty much I've had a couple trades in the last year that I've been recording. As you can see, I have a spreadsheet over here on the screen right now. It's been a lot of wins, it's been a lot of losses. This is just for Q1 and Q2. And then this is for Q3 of last year. A lot of wins, a lot of losses. The spreadsheet did get better over some time. You see, like, I lost $100 in just one trade, made 20, 160 in like a week. I've gone and made and lost a lot of money, overall gains for that. I've essentially not been able to become profitable, and this is the video where I want to go over and discuss it with you, my actual steps and my actual plans to becoming profitable. As you guys can already see, my trading strategy, I've lost money, I've made money. Just to bring it in short summary, I basically lost everything in the last few transactions over here towards the end of the year. As you can see, I ended up reaching into some of my savings. I'll go over that in the video, how my saving structure is built, how my actual profit-taking structure is, my actual strategies. But as you can see in the last, what is it? This is basically over a day. I didn't even want to finish filling in the chart because I was just so sad and depressed. Yeah, it was just a lot at all. But we did learn a lot throughout the trading. I was basically down $500 in Q3, which kind of sucked. But it's okay. We win and we lose some. Taking us to something a little bit more recently, I actually want to go ahead and show you something on my iPad. There were a lot of mistakes that happened in the last quarter or the last few quarters, and we can definitely make those adjustments and actually learn and try and see how we can actually become profitable. This messes up. I just want to go ahead and explain everything that's going on in this chart, and so you guys get an idea of what it looks like visually, so I don't have to just say, oh, 50% here, 50%. It looks nicer. So to show you what is going on in this entire structure, this is my actual profit-taking structure that I'm going to be trying to use in the next few weeks. Maybe it will change, maybe it doesn't change, but as it stands, this is what it looks like, what we're going to use to get to 10K a month. As it stands, in order for me to take profit, I need to know exactly where my money is going before I even use it, you know? I need to know what the actual funds would be used for, and be overall smart with your money, because in crypto, if you're not smart with your money, you lose all your money. And I'm not trying to lose my money to any more whales. I'm freaking sick and tired of this. As it stands, I am currently taking 50%. Oh, didn't write. I'm taking 50% of my funds, and I'm moving those funds right over here. I'm taking 50% of that, and I'm moving it to actually building my accounts. 50% of my cash should be going to building my actual accounts. I don't know why the 25% was pointing down. I can't tell you. This is not the world's best graph, but it's a visual representation, and I don't care what's going on next. What would I be doing? So moving on further, I'm going to then take 20% and move that over here. And you are asking yourself, what is that section over here, Jayden? What would that be? That would be the dineros that I take home. That will be the actual dollars, the 10K a month, longer term trades in crypto. So buying Bitcoin at whatever the price is at that time and just holding it, or buying Ethereum, or buying whatever coin I see as a possible good long-term play. So a great play that I'm actually seeing pop up right now, we could probably go ahead and look at the charts again. You can see over here on my screen, let's look at this coin Bob, right? It's a meme coin. I think it has great potential. I'm seeing a lot of room and a lot of room for growth for this coin, right? Right, a lot of room and a lot of growth for this coin, right? So my thinking is, let's say I made a trade today, right? And I was profitable. 25% of the actual trade would go to buying in, because right now is a perfect time to buy Bob. But putting it away for me to actually play with this money and actually make a play. So I would buy. Hopefully I am not dead again, but because I'm running out of time. So right now would be a perfect opportunity. I can't, my camera died again, so like I'm annoyed at this point. But now would be a great time to buy Bob. All right, so that would be a long-term play, leaving us with a nice, big, beautiful, small section over here. And what do you ask this is? This is 5%. It's missing a little bit of the dots over here. But after it goes to savings, long-term plays, long-term stuff, I'll be showing you what I'm doing when it comes to longer-term plays. But moving profits over from there, we still have this section titled 5%. Well, what is 5%? Well, 5% would be literally a rainy day fund. I haven't drawn, let's draw a cloud here because I want to draw it with you. Yeah, so this would be, right, and rainy day fund, right? So what that essentially would mean is that this money that I make, the 5%, I will be taking it and moving it over to here, which would be the rainy day fund, and I'll just be saving it for rainy days, like today. Like if I had 5% ready to go of whatever I've made in trades, today's a perfect buy day. Perfect buy day. We need to build up that savings for just in case we blow up accounts, just in case there's a problem, just in case, you know what I mean? There's so many reasons why we could use a rainy day fund. And it's always it's always good to practice safety in crypto. It's always good to practice safety in stocks, equities, whatever you want to call it. It's always good to practice safety. So kind of the profit taking structure. I have made a few tries when it comes to the actual strategies. I've used different indicators, and I've been mostly making indicator pattern-based trades, right? That's how I've learned how to trade. That's how I've learned to make at least some sort of money in the market. And I'm now going under the process of becoming educated under smart money concepts and trying to follow liquidity, because I'm trying to move my strategy from pattern-based trading to pattern-based trading with smart money concepts, and hopefully that makes me a little bit more profitable in the short term. My camera died for the 4th time. My cousin's calling me. I will call him back. Listen, yeah, this strategy, I found it to be a little bit less than 50% profitable based off of when I was trading. As it stands, that's gonna be pretty much the video. Next video, which is gonna be tomorrow, I'll be going into day 1 of like actually taking trades. It's gonna be on paper for now while I'm building up liquidity and I'm building up cash before I just chuck $1,000 at the market. As much as I really wanna eat the dip, I highly suggest if anybody has spare cash, eat this dip right now if you're watching this video on the 14th or the 15th, maybe the 16th. I don't know if we're gonna even be in this kind of zone for too long. Yet again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. That's what my profit-taking strategy is gonna be looking like. I'm currently still learning a whole bunch of liquidity information in the liquidity concepts. If you enjoyed the video, please like. Yet again, I'm on my journey to turning $0 into 10K a month. So please like, comment, smash the freaking description. Yeah, you heard me. Do it in that order, bro. And I will catch you in the next video before my camera dies for the 5th time. Peace.